what lake is this?
So this is Washoe Lake.
Oh, okay.
24 mile an hour tailwind here. And we're going out a ways here to try and avoid the turbulence as much as we can before we start descending down. So I'm letting you fly it here, but I've got to hold, so in case I won't let anything get away from us.
All right.
Okay, so we're going to do a nice gradual right-hand turn here.
Okay.
Nice gradual. Okay, real nice, real good. Now what we're going to do is, since the legs dried up, is we can actually fly real low here, as long as it's not too bumpy down below or too windy. It looks pretty good. I don't see any wind down there. See how we can look at the trees down there? We don't see them really moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was wondering how you
tell, and see how the lake is like glass there. See the reflection of the clouds?
Oh, well, yeah, that's real nice.
Interesting, huh? So that tells us that there's not any wind down here, so we might get really lucky here. Have it nice and calm down here.
That's a lot warmer.
Isn't it a lot warmer? Yeah. Now as we get down lower here, I'll actually do the flying.
Okay.
But you still got the controls here. I'll tell you when I want. Okay, so I've got the controls.
All right.
Okay. Here we go.
Try to wipe my nose.
Okay. Now, see, I'm not reading any headwind at all now, so it looks like we're in good shape. Okay, so here we go. See, we're hitting the deck here.
Yeah.
Pretty fun, huh?
We're flying.
See, now you get an idea how fast we're actually going.
Oh, we were going this whole speed?
Yeah, we're going this fast. But see, you can see it once you go over the ground.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to bring it up a little bit here to get past this section. Yeah, we can bring it back down. Yeah, see, we were going this fast the whole time. Only you can't really notice it.
Where's Keith?
Sometimes we see a coyote out here, so kind of keep your eyes open. It's always nice to come by and say hi to them. Now pop over the bush. Down here, huh?
Yeah.
Now make a little turn here. We got the reflection of the clouds in the water. That's pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
It's kind of like an optical illusion almost. Normally we wouldn't see that reflection because it's just blue sky.
Yeah.
Here we go. Go down for another little run here. Get a picture here. And up we go. So I'll let you take the controls. There you go, you got the controls. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to do a nice gradual circle here.
Left?
To the left.
Okay.
Yep.
So
Real nice, real nice. There you go, not too much. There's a pelican down there.
I was wondering what that was.
Yeah. Another pelicans. A couple out there. Straighten it out. Help you a little bit there. There you go, good. We're going to go off to the left here a little bit.
Okay.
We're going to climb right over these mountains here. And straighten it out. A little bit of pressure there. There we go, good, nice. Take a picture, look at the camera. Okay. There you go. See, we're getting pushed pretty good here.
Yeah.
So we've probably got about a 15-mile-an-hour wind pushing us like this. You can kind of see that as you're going.
It's getting a little bumpy.
A little bumpy here. I'm with you, though. Don't worry. Okay, we're high enough now. We're going to go ahead and bring it on down. Of course, we let the throttle off to descend. Carson traffic, Lake Tahoe Trike, 3 miles to the north, inbound, Carson. See those 3 airplanes kind of parked right there?
Yeah.
We're gonna kind of go right to the right of those and go straight over that taxiway, right over the middle of the airport, and then get into our airport pattern, our highway in the sky. Carson traffic, Lake Tahoe Trike, crossing over midfield for left traffic, runway 27, Carson. Lake Tahoe Trike is midfield downwind, left traffic, runway 27, Carson. Okay, so I've got the controls.
All right.
Carson traffic, Lake Tahoe Trike turning base to short final, runway 27, Carson. Full stop. There we go. Whoa. Bumps there. There we go.